If you're hyped about the new AI video generators but feel like there's something missing, then this AI tool is for you. And I'm going to show you what it can do in less than a minute. The team behind
ElevenLabs, the text-to-speech generator,
is working on the new AI tool that generates realistic sound effects. Check out the demo they made paired with the AI-generated video from OpenAI's Sora.
One man dares to journey where few have ventured.
Yup, that definitely makes everything a lot more lifelike. You can generate the sound effects via text prompts, but unfortunately, the tool isn't out yet. But you can sign up for early access at ElevenLabs' website now.